Disney calls this room wheelchair accessible. Let's see if that's actually true.
We are back at Animal Kingdom Lodge because we're celebrating your birthday, but we're in the Jumbo House.
Today we are room 2468.
2468, and this is a wheelchair accessible room
With a roll-in
with a
shower.
roll-in shower and a pool view. This is not the Savannah view. So let's check out the bathroom. First thing I'm gonna notice is that it's tight. Like it feels tighter than the room we had last year. But here is the shower. It's just a shower curtain and the liner. Yeah, so one thing to point out here is that this lip is rubber and it goes into the shower. But if you are looking for something that has no barrier to entry, this is not it.
And it does have a
fold down seat.
and this one's nice because it's actually some sort of mesh material, not
Okay.
just the hard benches. Plus, we have the hand wands, overhead shower, soaps, and water controls all within easy reach of someone sitting on the bench.
That is the measure of a good bathroom for me, is that you can reach all those. Now, I'm not getting off during this tour because I tore my meniscus.
So it hurts to walk.
It hurts to walk. Grab bars behind the toilet. To the left of the toilet, we have nice racks here for towels, things like that. There's over in the far corner, there's some hooks at more of a lower level
And a higher level.
height and a higher level to be able to utilize those, as well as we've got plugs here for things like your hair dryer, curling iron, flat iron, all those things
And additional plugs
behind
the mirror,
Yeah.
all of which have night lights on them.
And one thing that's neat here that you don't see, because this is a top tier resort, vanity kit, shower cap, and mouthwash in a pack. Like you don't get those at Caribbean, at the moderates, or at the value resorts. Those are only at top tier, whatever they call it.
So it is a little difficult to get out if you have a four-wheel scooter.
Yes, it is. Okay, but coming out of the bathroom, then we're going to have closet space with a steamer, extra tissues, toilet paper, your safe, extra pillow and blanket. These things I can reach. That I can't reach, but it's all right. Over here, we have the hair dryer in the closet rather than in the bathroom. And we do have some hangers that are at a level that I could reach them. We have the luggage fold-out stand. Then we have a trash can, a recycling bin. We have a Keurig. And in this drawer, all of the Keurig
Supplies.
coffee supplies, tea supplies, easily reachable. In here, we have a beverage refrigerator. And some, yeah, I'll let you show them because somebody in another video told me that I didn't open the door the right way. Here we just have some drawers for your clothes. So we have 8 drawers here. Little table and a chair. Then over here we have side tables with the phone. We have charging outlets
And a bed.
and a bed on both sides.
And this is a lowered bed.
This is a lower bed. Here we do have these to be able to pull the blinds and the curtains, and I can do that from a seated position. And in one of the hotels years ago, the minute I pulled on it, it worked. But they came right away and fixed it. Now, what I can tell you is that I do not believe that the scooter is going to be able to go out here because this scooter is almost as long as this is deep.
But you do have a couple of chairs and a table and another chair over here. And of course, we'll not really be able to get the scooter out here. We have a pool view for this particular room. We also did room 3431. The layout is exactly the same. The difference is 2 queen beds instead of 1 king. But otherwise, the room is the same. Complete with a shower seat, the same controls. This bathroom does not have a lip between the bathroom and the shower area. However, the shower tiles can be a little bit slick. Now, one thing we wanted to show you for this room, it is the same as the other room also, is they do have handles that are lower so that if you are in a seated position, they can be easily accessed. So be sure to watch this video next to see where you too can venture. Bye!